Hello, today we're going to make this gorgeous little leaf. It measures about 6 centimetres long and all you need is a 4mm hook and some crochet cotton. This is Rickarumi from Rico Wools. So we're going to make 5 chain and then join with a slip stitch in the first chain to form a circle, and then it's really quick to make this as well. Cute little project. So round 1 is 3 chain, which counts as a treble, and then we're going to do 5 trebles into this circle. So trebles in American is a double crochet. This is just a UK treble. So 5 of these. So that's 3. 4 and 5, and then to get the shape of the leaf, this was around this bit, we make 3 chain, which gives us that gap there. So 3 chain and then 5 trebles again to take us back down the other side. Now this is where the tail end here, I've crocheted round it, and we need to now pull it tight, just to pull that in, and then we're going to join with a slip stitch into the 3rd chain that we made originally, which gives us this shape. So it's starting to be leaf shaped. Okay, so we're already on to the last round. Round 2 is the last round. So we do 1 chain and then we're going to do 2 double crochets into each of the stitches below. So that's 1. So double crochet in American is a single crochet. 2. So 2 stitches. So we're kind of increasing. Right, so we've done up that side now. So into this 3 chain gap that we made, we're going to do 2 half trebles. So half treble, put your yarn round and in you go, pull through and then pull through all 3 on your hook. So 2 half trebles and then 3 chain and then 2 half trebles again. Okay, so we've turned the top corner now. We've just made the bit at the top and then 2 double crochets into each stitch going down this last edge. Let's just grab hold of that strand. Oh, I've got a rogue strand. chop that off, it'll be fine. And keep going all the way down this side. You can make this bigger by using a bigger hook or different yarn, thicker yarn. Okay, so now we're back down to the bottom. We are going to slip stitch into this chain that we made here, and we just got the stem to do now. So let me just pull that tight back again. So we're just going to do the stem by making 4 chain and then working back up the stem. We skip 2 chain and we just do a slip stitch into the 3rd chain from the hook, and a slip stitch sorry, I don't know where my voice is going, into the 4th chain from the hook, and then we slip stitch back into that same chain space, and then we fasten off, and there you have a really cute little leaf. Obviously sew your ends in, and there you go, lovely little project. I'm really bad at this subscribing business, but please, if you love cutesy little projects like I do, it'd be good to have you on board, and just check that subscribe box and maybe a little like. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.